But another thing that you often want to do when you're making music is not just to play the whole sample, I want to play the first drum. Right? So what I can do is I open up in a web editor and I can see all the things. I can say, well, that's going quite loud. Just get that bit, cut it out. Get that bit, cut it out. Get that bit, cut it out. And save them as separate samples, which I could play. Like, for example, I have tabla, individual tabla sounds. They're quite fun to play with, right? Well, but I also have a loop tabla, which is someone playing it as a loop. That's quite nice, right? Be wicked if I could just grab the first note from that whole sample. Well, so this is where you think about what would the kid be able to write. Well, if you say, well, actually, each of these things is what we call an onset from quite loud, and in computing we start at 0. That's annoying, but that's the way it is. I can grab the first note, or the second note, or the third, or the fourth, or the fifth. So I can put that in a live loop. I can play the fourth note every 1/8 of a second.
Then you have the first 2 notes.
Yeah, so I can say I want a ring of 1, 0, 1, 2, like this, and I want to tick through them. Yeah. I can put like a 10 in there. But I can also, which is quite fun, pick a random one. And now I can do my old trick we did before with the randomization. Use random seed. Oh, got to type the actual right thing. So this is where I only had one live loop, which killed the music. So I now take that sample, pick random notes from it, shuffle them around, and play them back in the same order again and again. So now I can start to work around in that and think, what does this sound like? Right, so now I can just, by changing a random one number, I can make lots of different kinds of rhythms. It's a lot of fun, right? So here's an example where I talk about tenure already. We're taking a complicated idea, like how do I play the second note in a WAV file, and you make it really, really simple. Of course, the underlying system is not so simple, right? I've got a C library that I'm calling with FFI binaries. I'm caching the values. It's finding all the onset things. It's like there's all these like algorithms to determine what the onsets are, which someone else has written, which I'm using. There's lots of complicated stuff that happens, but essentially all the kid needs to do, or the person needs to do, is to say onset 0, and they get the first drum.